welcome you to our first series on basics of IPR. Today, in our second lecture, we'll be discussing regarding trademark. So first, let us see the topic that we'll be discussing today. First, the definition of trademark. Then, what does trademark protect? Types of trademark protection. Difference between word mark and logo mark. Special type of trademarks. Why is trademark required? What is character merchandising law? And the points to remember. So let's begin. What is trademarking? As per the rule, it is a provision provided by the government to secure rights on a brand identity, which is in the form of word, phrase, or symbol that distinguishes the source of goods of one party from another. So what does trademark actually protect? It helps you to secure your commercial identity, discouraging other businesses from adopting a name or logo that is confusingly similar to yours. So let's see what all things can be protected under trademark. Like you can see, a brand name, a logo, a tagline can be secured under trademark. For example, in this diagram, you can see that Coca-Cola has applied trademark on its name and the shape of the bottle, which is identity of the brand. In the second example, McDonald's has obtained right on the symbol M, which is designed in yellow color, and its slogan, "I'm loving it," has also been secured. The symbol of Volkswagen has also been protected under trademark. I know there are too much illustrations, so let's understand one by one. The brand name. Brand name means word mark. Word mark helps you to secure right on spelling of the brand name. Like here, you can see Reliance, Disney, Nike, Microsoft has applied for word mark. It means the spelling of the brand name has been secured. It provides them with the right to modify their name in the color font they require because they have right on the spelling of their brand name. Next is the logo mark. This has multiple characterizations, so we'll be looking into one by one. First, you can see here that Coca-Cola, Nestle, Philips, Cartoon Network has applied for logo mark. Here they have artistically designed their brand name in different colors and font, and this has been restricted by the trademark registry. Then comes the mark with a logo. Here you can see that in case of Burger King, they have designed a logo in the shape of burger and written the brand name inside it. So they have a brand name secured along with the symbol, which helps them to be categorized under logo mark. Next is the symbols. Like in case of Apple, Facebook, or Mercedes, only the symbol of their brand name has been secured under the logo mark without mentioning the brand's name. The third type is the tagline. As you know, L'Oreal has a very famous brand name because you're worth it. Nike has the famous tagline that is "Just do it." And the people who are foodies love to eat food at McDonald's. You know the tagline, right? "I'm loving it." All these taglines have been secured under trademark. Do you know there are some special type of trademarks that are being secured? Like here you can see the smell is also secured under trademark. Every perfume manufacturing company has the right to secure the smell that has been identified by their company under trademarking, so that no other brand can launch the similar smell in the market to create a competition or maybe confusion. The people who loves cartoon and has been a fan would realize that the sound which you used to hear when you watch the cartoon Tom and Jerry has been secured under trademark. Even in certain cases, the dialogues have been allowed to be protected under trademark because it is identity of a movie or a character. Like here, why so serious? You know which famous character says that dialogue. So it is an identity, so it is secured under trademark. So the next question is, if I trademark, what else do I benefit from? What is the other benefit which I achieve? Trademarking actually helps you to build a brand. This can be better understood with the character merchandising law. Every cartoon character that you see or you're a fan of has been acquired or has been protected under trademark. Now, why has character merchandising law come into action? See, have you ever observed that whenever you buy a t-shirt or a bedsheet or any other product which has a cartoon character or your favorite superhero's name on it is usually expensive than the usual product? Do you know why? Because the people who manufacture these products needs to pay a royalty to the owner of these brands to procure rights to print these characters on their product. So whenever you purchase these products, the royalty amount is acquired from you. And every character which has been discovered or disclosed by the big companies obtain royalty rights for bringing these cartoon characters into our life. So this is how brand building helps you to obtain royalty, to build a brand, to build an identity. So I hope now you understood how trademarking helps you to bring a brand. So trademarking secures your identity. It builds trust in a customer, because when your brand name is secured, no other people can manufacture or sell under your name. It increments the brand value, helps you to secure loyal customers, because the person who has been impressed or trust your brand will only buy from you. It ensures legal protection of your mark. If it is infringed ever, the government will always be on your side because it is legally protected. So let's see some of the examples here which are illegal and government helps you to protect if it is being infringed. These are the well-known brands, as you know, Nike, McDonald's, Puma and Paytm. And what are the marks that can be called as an infringement or are breaking the trademark rules? If Nike has been infringed by a brand Nika. I made a brand called Nika which looks exactly like the official brand, and if I try to sell something, definitely Nike can stop me with using legal protections. The brand McDowell's cannot be used in the market because it is exactly using the logo or maybe confusing logo that matches to McDonald's. If I make a brand called Poodle which portrays similar example to Puma, the brand can be stopped by the government. And you know the famous fight between Paytm and PayPal, which was because of the same color identity which was being used. See how trademark rules help you to build brand and protect your brand? I hope you could understand each and every example, but there are certain points that you need to remember. First, a word, symbol, tagline, anything that helps you to build an identity of you in the market can be secured using trademark. Although trademark can be for a lifetime, it needs to be renewed in predefined period of time. Trademark can only be registered by a government authorized registry. No private firm can do it for you. Trademark, like a physical asset, can be licensed, gifted or sold. To know regarding physical asset and intellectual asset, you can visit our first lecture on intellectual property. You know, in the world, certain celebrities are allowed to secure their own names under trademark because they have a trade value, an asset value to themselves. If you're an Indian, you know Sachin Tendulkar's name has been secured under trademark. So if you want to learn regarding asset values, you know Facebook, right? You all use it. Do you know what is the brand value of Facebook? It is $35.7 billion. The Google, the famous search engine, has an asset value Asset I mean trade brand value of 97.2 billion. The techno giant Apple is one of the leading companies with a brand value of 228.6 billion in 2018. So, I hope with this lecture on trademark, you are quite clear about the branding, the trade value, what can be secured under the trade value or trademarking. If you still have any queries, you can definitely write to us in our comment section. Chat with us on our website www.mycrave.co.in. You can mail us at info@mycrave.co.in, or you can visit our Facebook page for new updates. If you enjoyed the video, do like us. If you think it is worth sharing and you want to build a new brand, do share this video. And if you want to learn more regarding brand building or more about IPR, do subscribe to our channel. So till we meet next time, beware and do remember, use it before you lose it.